Avto, ki ga tukaj ni, ker celotne znamke ni na frankfurtskem avtomobilskem salonu, pa je najbolj prodajan električni avtomobil. Mi smo bili v Tokiu, kjer smo ga videli na svetovni premieri in ponuja tudi, vsaj kar se energije tiče, nove rešitve. Avtomobili bodo namreč v prihodnosti nosili na nek način tudi vlogo baterije, ki bo napajala okolico, vsaj takrat, ko bodo recimo parkirani oziroma v stanju nedelovanja. Prisostvovali smo premieri, na kateri je predsednik Nissana Daniele Schillaci izrekel prelomne besede. To ni električni avto. S tem je označil konec dobe, ko so električne avtomobile kupovali samo eko-zanesenjaki za svojo samopromocijo. Elektroavtomobili so zdaj postali mainstream. In točno zato je druga generacija elektropionirja oblikovana normalno. Drugi Leaf je namreč takšen kot čisto povsem običajen avtomobil. In kot tak se dobrika vsem, ki hočejo najboljši paket.
With this car, you have a fantastic alternative to conventional cars at a price which is, we believe, a right balance between to get it accessible to maximum of people.
We have a completely new full model change for the same price, but bundle all kinds of technologies are in that car. Everything. So you have autonomous drive technology, we have a new battery, we have a new powertrain. So how can this be, not attractive? The overall package of a car is amazing.
Te drzne trditve potrjuje elektrotehniško znanje, ki ga je Nissan v 7 letih nabral s pomočjo 283.000 kupcev prvega Leafa. Motor z več moči zadaj zalaga večja baterija, velika za konkretno 378 km dosega z enim polnjenjem. Predvsem pa je ta baterija zdaj popolnoma pripravljena na vključitev v inteligentna omrežja, v katerih s pomočjo hitrega polnjenja in praznjenja avto opravlja vlogo začasnega shranjevalca zelene energije. Toda Nissan novemu Leafu dodaja tudi vlogo ambasadorja tehnologije avtonomne vožnje. Po novem že zna samodejno prilagajati hitrost, zavirati in zavijati. Samodejno pa zna parkirati tudi med črte parkirnih boksov, ne zgolj med avtomobile. Uvaja pa tudi novost, ki ponuja vožnjo zgolj s stopalko za plin. Zdaj bomo pa res začeli praviti drugače.
You can accelerate and decelerate and complete stop and stand still. You just release your throttle pedal. If you want to have a smooth car behavior, driver just keep the throttle pedal. If you want to fun driving or aggressive driving, you just utilize much capacity of a e-pedal function.
And the idea behind that is just to simplify the act of driving, to make something which is complicated and only for professional pilot driver, something accessible for everybody. To also get rid of some difficult and boring part in the act of driving, like traffic jam, like, of course, parking. So all this is all about making an offer which in fact is not targeting to compete with EV.
Na Leafovi premieri v Tokiu pa smo iz Nissanovih direktorjev skušali izvrtati tudi to, kaj razvijajo.
The EV will become more mainstream and will take a bigger role into our lineup. An example to it is the announcement we've made recently in China with the joint venture we are creating with our partner Dongfeng in order to co-develop an affordable EV, leveraging the capabilities of everybody, including the A-SUV platform of the LN. So that's an indication of what we are doing.
A še mnogo bolj so aktivni na drugih tehnoloških področjih.
Intelligent drive, intelligent power, intelligent integration. You can start thinking that in the future Nissan products will be moving in those three key areas. Because that's where we see our customers' will to go.
Te aktivnosti pa neposredno pospešujejo atleti.
In Japan, we've already started a collaboration with the DNA, which is one of the biggest IT company in Japan. to do some pilot case for autonomous driving technologies. One of the idea is to limit the area to do some high-level autonomous driving. That's going to be a kind of pilot case, and then if it's okay, then we can expand.
Torej, če prav razumemo, Nissan na stadionih olimpijskih iger v Tokiu leta 2020 ne bo kazal zgolj teh malih pingvinov.
This is a robot to research for autonomous group driving. Each robot has 3 rules. The first rule is escape obstacle. The second rule is to keep the distance. And the third rule is to reach the another one. Then they can keep most efficient group driving.
Tako torej ti mehanski pingvini kažejo, kako bo lahko komunikacija med vozili omogočila bolj zgoščeno in s tem bolj varčno vožnjo, brez nesreč.